Hi friends, today we're going to practice a little bit more with the expanded form and distributed property. I want you to be able to recognize all the different ways that it can work. So we're going to be doing 7,462 times 5. Okay, so the first, we do not need that comma right there. Miss Corbin got comma happy. All right, so first of all, we want to think about when we're distributing it. And I wrote it backwards from what you're used to seeing, but it's still the same thing. So we're thinking of our expanded form. So I'm going to go ahead and do my expanded form first. I'm going to do my 7,000. Then I have my 400. And I'm leaving space in between each of them. Then I have my 60. And then I have my 2. Okay, so now I'm going to distribute my 5. I'm going to distribute my 5. So that's going to be times 5. Don't forget the parentheses. Then you have plus parentheses 400 times 5 parentheses plus 60 times 5 plus 2 times 5. So these two are equal. These two are equal. Now, you also have to be careful with where it might try to trick you. For example, I'm going to write some that are incorrect, and I need you to find why they're incorrect. Okay, so this is the first one. Okay, so if you can look at that and see why you think that one is incorrect. And it would be because should it be multiplied by 3? No, it should be multiplied by 5. Okay, now what about this one? I've got plus okay, I have my pluses, everything is multiplied by 5, but what did we do wrong on this one? So on this one we multiplied by we distributed the wrong number. What did we do wrong on this one? We distributed the correct number. We did not do our expanded form. I'm going to put an X by this one. We didn't do the expanded form right. Okay, let's see if you can find with this one. Okay, so let's go through and check it. Expanded is correct. Distributed is correct. But what did they do here? They multiplied it. They did not add it. All right, now let's look at this one. Remember, this is 5 groups of 746. 7,462. So if I have 7,462 7,462 times 3 plus 7,462 times 2. What do you think? I need 5 groups of this. This one has 3 groups, and this one has 2 groups. Does that still equal 5 groups? And well, we can draw a picture here if we wanted. This is 1 7,462. This is 2 7,462. This is 3 7,462. All right, then this is 2 7,462. And this is 2 of them. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, and then we add them together. That's the adding, that's important. So let's look up here. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 7,462, 7,462, 7,462, 7,462, and 7,462. How many groups do we have up here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it looks like they're the same. So the ones that we would choose as the same is this one and this one. This one is not correct because they didn't distribute the right number. This one is not correct because they didn't do expanded form. This one is not correct because they multiplied them instead of adding them. And this one is correct because it still has the same number of groups as this one does. And this one was correct because they expanded it and they distributed. So we're going to be practicing problems where we're going to have the problem and we're going to have choices, and we have to talk about why they are right and why they are wrong. We're not just picking out the right ones. We're going to be telling both why they are right and why they are wrong. We'll be practicing that today in class. Thank you.